so many roots in this earth. It's ridiculous. Well, this is the first day one of the process of building a polytunnel, so that I can grow all my herbs, fruit, vegetables all year round. It's coming from Germany. It's going to be really, really big. Actually 20 foot by 10 foot, which it's a good job we got a big garden because I didn't realise it was this huge. So yeah, it's basically this half is going to be for planting things in the ground. I've already ordered some really good German chamomile seeds actually, and that half is going to be initially sort of grow bags with whatever we're actually growing in there, but it does give me an option. Here I could grow echinacea. We have to organise heating in it and everything, but yeah, this is not bad really. It's only taken us a few hours to get this far, so I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, so we'll keep you informed, follow and see what happens over the next months. Okay, bye.